Welcome back. Today we're diving into Alibaba's latest masterpiece, Qwen 3.6 Plus. It's a serious heavyweight in coding, reasoning, and multilingual tasks, making it a top tier alternative to OpenCode or Claude. And the best part, no credit card required, no paid subscription, and no hidden fees. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Qwen 3.6 Plus API key for free. Let's get started. Before we deep dive into it, let me show you some example of what you can do using Qwen 3.6 Plus. First of all, by putting this simple prompt, build a first person perspective slide HTML game for me. Look, it generates this awesome game for you. Just wow. This is very interesting and impressive. I don't even think this model will perform like this. And here is another example. If you give a video to Qwen 3.6 Plus model and say analyze this video and take notes for me, it can perfectly able to understand what is happening in a video, perform further analysis, extraction and processing based on the video content, and finally it make PDF for you like this one. And furthermore, Qwen 3 Plus model visual reasoning system is also superb. It performs deeper analysis for complex visual input, support practical tasks such as document understanding, chart parsing, UI understanding, and fine-grained localization. I hope you understand the power of Qwen 3.6 Plus. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you how we can just get Qwen 3.6 Plus for free and use it. Okay, at the beginning, we need the Qwen 3.6 API key. How we can manage the API key? It's very simple. You will open a browser and then simply search Diagram. Then go to this website, diagram.me. And this website actually provide you free LLM API key to get started. And it uses Nexum router for a free AI compatible endpoint, direct token control, and no credit card required to get started. So from here, you can simply click this open Nexum router and you will land to here. Here, if you don't have an account, you will have to sign up. If you have already an account, you will just provide your email and password, then click this login. I have already an account, so that's why I will land this page. Whenever you just log in, it redirect to this page. Here, you will find router endpoint. That means you will have to hit this API, and it's actually compatible with OpenAI and OpenCode. So you can use OpenCode to use this API. Okay. So here you can see you have access token. You can generate a new token by clicking here, and then you will have to define the token name or identity. Here you can say this is actually test Qwen 3.6, okay, something like this. And then if you click generate, then it will generate a new token for you. Okay, now you can get this token. You can simply copy it and then click this acknowledged. Okay, so now you can see your token is active. You can use this token to connect models, such as you can work with Qwen 3.5 plus model, you will have Qwen 3.6 plus model, then you will have Qwen 3.6 plus thinking model. So here is actually 4 model available to use. You can use any of these. Okay, so now you will have an access token. How to work with it? Okay, so to integrate this access token, you can use OpenCode. Okay, it's very easy to use. To use OpenCode, you will take a new tab, then search OpenCode, then go to this OpenCode AI, and here to get the desktop app is available. So what you will do, you can just simply click this free, then look here, you will have list of desktop app you can download for, or you can use this command. Okay, so let me download it, then I'll choose a folder directory. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we'll have to install it. Let me double click here and install it. Okay, it's installed successfully. And now if I go to app section and search OpenCode, then you will see OpenCode here. Okay, so you will have this type of interface. Okay, let me open a project. I will click here, then go to project directory and open this project. So this project is empty. This is have nothing here. I just open a project. So what next? Actually, look, we need to connect our API key. So that's why here you can see we'll have all of these available model. So you can use any of this. So right now this one is actually free. Okay, but to connect paid model such as actually Qwen 3.6 plus, from Alibaba, what you can do. So here you can see we will have setting icon, and then you will go to providers, and here if you will scroll a little bit, you can just choose this custom provider option, click connect, and here you will have to provide the provider ID. The provider ID would be something like this, Qwen. Okay, then you will have display name. You can say this will be Qwen 3.6 plus. Okay, and now the base URL. So the base URL is here. You will have this base URL. Let me copy it, and now I will paste it here. After then we need the API key. So I have the API key here. Let me copy it again. So I will copy this API key, acknowledged, and now back to OpenCode, here paste our API key. Okay, after then you will have to provide your model ID. So where is our model ID? For example, you want to use this model, so copy this and back here paste it here. Then you will have display name. I will have to give this same display name. If you need to add several model, for example, if you want to use this model also, you will copy it back here, then add model, model ID, and let me provide the display name. Okay, so after then you will have to submit it. Let me submit it. So provider name, so must be lowercase, so that's why let me make it Qwen model, something like this, and after then let me submit again. So look, the Qwen 3 plus is connected, and now here you can go to and search Qwen 3 plus model. Look, this is your model. So this two thing is your model. So the first one is actually by open router. You will use your specific model. So Qwen 3.6 plus, you will rename it something like this. And then what you will do, so you can actually chat with it, something like this. Hi, then it's actually replying, how can I get help you today? And here I will just give a simple prompt, and then it's actually generating a HTML page for me. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Just use this model and let me know how it's actually working for you.